If your GMC Acadia is refusing to start, don't panic. It is usually one of 5 common culprits we can check right now. Statistically, nearly half of all no-start issues in these crossovers come down to a simple battery or terminal connection failure. Before you call a tow truck, let's walk through the diagnostic process to find the root cause. Start by checking the battery terminals for corrosion and listen closely to the sound the engine makes when you turn the key. The Acadia's starter motor is a known wear item that can fail suddenly, especially if you hear a loud single thud. If the engine cranks but won't catch, you likely have a fuel delivery problem or a faulty crankshaft position sensor. Simple electrical issues are easy DIY fixes, but mechanical failures like the fuel pump usually require a shop. Costs vary wildly, from a $20 relay to nearly $1,000 for a high-end fuel pump replacement. Sometimes the Acadia's security system glitches. A hard battery reset can often clear the error and get you moving. Always keep a 10mm wrench and a portable jump pack in your Acadia for these exact situations. Experienced mechanics will tell you to always check the simplest connections before assuming the worst. Check those terminals and fuses first, and hopefully you'll be back on the road in no time.